Watch the complete HDPE plastic pipe manufacturing process inside a modern factory. From raw plastic pellets to strong blue water pipes used across Europe and the United States, this video reveals every step of the industrial process, including melting, extrusion, cooling, cutting and packaging. Everything starts with small HDPE plastic pellets, used to produce strong and durable water pipes. These tiny pellets are stored in large containers inside the factory warehouse, where they are kept clean, dry, and ready for production at any time. Before the process begins, workers carefully prepare the raw materials, checking quality and ensuring everything is properly measured for consistent results. The plastic pellets are then loaded into the hopper of a large extrusion machine, where the manufacturing journey officially begins. From here, the pellets move slowly into the heated extruder barrel, traveling deeper into the machine. Inside, powerful heaters gradually raise the temperature, melting the plastic step by step into a soft and workable form. As the heat increases further, the plastic transforms into a thick molten material, ready to be shaped into pipes. At this stage, a blue color pigment is added, giving the pipes their recognizable color used in clean water supply systems. The molten plastic and pigment mix thoroughly, ensuring a smooth and uniform color throughout the material. A rotating screw inside the machine pushes the molten plastic forward with steady force and controlled pressure. This continuous motion directs the material toward the shaping section of the extrusion system. The molten plastic then enters a specially designed mold, which forms it into a perfect circular pipe shape. Slowly, a long plastic pipe begins to emerge from the machine, maintaining a consistent diameter. As the process continues, the pipe grows longer and longer, as fresh molten material is continuously pushed through. At this point, the pipe is still very hot and soft, so it moves carefully along the production line. Next, the pipe enters a large cooling tank filled with cold water, where an important transformation takes place. The cold water rapidly cools the pipe, allowing it to harden and permanently retain its shape. During cooling, calibration tools ensure the pipe maintains precise dimensions and a perfect outer diameter. Workers monitor the process closely, checking the pipe surface for any defects or irregularities. A pulling machine then grips the pipe firmly and moves it forward at a constant, controlled speed. Meanwhile, automated systems measure the pipe length in real time, ensuring accuracy throughout production. As the pipe reaches the next stage, an automatic cutting machine prepares for precise cutting. A sharp rotating blade slices the pipe cleanly into standard lengths, suitable for transport and use. After cutting, workers inspect the pipe edges, making sure they are smooth, even, and free from damage. Quality control experts then examine each batch carefully, testing strength, flexibility, and durability. Special pressure tests are performed to ensure the pipes can safely handle water flow in real-world conditions. If necessary, the pipes are cleaned to remove any dust or surface residue left during processing. Once approved, the finished pipes are stacked neatly in organized rows, ready for the next step. Workers carefully arrange and bundle multiple pipes together into large, manageable groups. These bundles are then transported to the storage area within the factory premises. Soon, large stacks of finished pipes fill the industrial warehouse, ready for distribution. Forklifts are used to move heavy bundles efficiently across the factory floor, saving time and effort. Workers continue preparing shipments, ensuring all pipes meet required standards before delivery. At this stage, the pipes are fully ready to be transported to different locations and projects. These pipes play a vital role in water supply systems, delivering clean and safe water to homes and cities. HDPE pipes are widely known for their strength, flexibility, and long-lasting performance in various conditions. Modern factories can produce thousands of pipes every day, meeting the growing global demand efficiently. Advanced machinery and skilled workers work together to ensure high-quality production at every step. And this is how modern factories manufacture blue HDPE water pipes, transforming simple plastic pellets into essential infrastructure used around the world.